hot flashes, brain fog, mood swings. You may have heard of these menopause symptoms, or you may have already been suffering from them even if you're not in menopause. But you don't have to wait for menopause to start getting relief. Sadly, many women are just being told their symptoms are part of aging, told to write it out. They're dismissed, or worse, just given hormones without even proper workup. As a nurse practitioner and functional nutrition coach who specializes in hormone health, I've seen countless women who hear the word estrogen and immediately think cancer because that's the only story they've been told. No one explains the nuances, the lifestyle changes, or the safe options that exist. One woman even came to me saying that she suffered for 12 years and was repeatedly told that it'll eventually pass, just wait it out. Now, why are these symptoms happening now, before menopause? And why does no one warn us? First, I want you to know that it's not just aging. These are real, addressable changes happening inside your body. And if you've been Googling symptoms at 2 a.m., wondering if it's just you, it's not. You are not crazy. We're going to talk about what you can fix starting today. Why are the symptoms so intense? But the answers we get feel so vague. This is what some medical providers don't always explain well. Your hormones don't fall off a cliff. They fluctuate wildly first. So menopause is defined as 12 straight months without a period. But most women experience these intense symptoms years before that point. And it's not aging, it's dysregulation. And that can be balanced. There was a famous study from the Women's Health Initiative that scared a generation of women away from estrogen. But newer research is out, and more people like me are uncovering the incredible benefits of estrogen. But even if you know what's going on, most women still do the wrong thing. Next. Maybe you've tried cutting sugar, sleeping more, or taking random supplements, and it hasn't worked. It's because when we do that, we are treating the symptoms, not the cause. Ultimately, your body ends up confused. So how do we deal with this hormonal shift? There are 3 steps I take my clients through to fix this, and I'll walk you through them right now. So step 1 is to self-assess with a hormone testing kit. This is because before you can fix anything, you need to know where you actually stand. A simple hormone test done at home can reveal patterns you'd never see otherwise. So if you need a kit, I'll put a link to one that my clients love in the description of this video. Now, step 2 is to identify your hormone bucket. Once you have your results, you'll fall into one of the several hormone buckets. Each has a different root cause and needs a different approach. This is where most women guess wrong and waste months on the wrong plan. Now, step 3 is to tailor food and lifestyle strategies. Once you know your bucket, you can match it with the foods, supplements, and daily habits that directly support hormone balance without overwhelming yourself by trying to fix everything all at once. If more women knew this 3-step process, we'd stop feeling broken. Clicking like on this video only takes a moment, and it will help reach more women who need it. When you follow this order, calibrate, and cultivate, you stop chasing the symptoms and start solving the root cause. And one more thing I want to make sure you know. These symptoms we feel are just messages, not warnings of decline. This isn't the beginning of the end. It's the beginning of understanding your body better than ever before. And when you follow these 3 steps, you won't just be surviving. You can actually thrive through the next decade. Remember, if you need a hormone testing kit, I've linked to one below. Now that you know how to decode your hormones and start tailoring your plan, the next big question is whether you should consider hormone replacement therapy. Stick with holistic approaches or combine both. Click the video on the screen right now and I'll prepare you to make that decision when it's time.